As you can see, my last few videos have been me making pinwheels, grilling them, barbecuing them. I'm kind of on a pinwheel kick right now. You can buy them at the butcher. I prefer making them with skirt steak, specifically outside skirt steak. You can do it with the inside skirt steak, which isn't as flavorful. But if you pound out the inside skirt steak, and it is a few dollars cheaper, you absolutely can use the inside skirt steak. There's nothing wrong with it. You got to make sure you pound these things out. You got to pound them really good with a mallet. You got to break those fibers, and then you can roll them much easier. And they do take a little while to cook. You got to leave them on that barbecue for longer than you think. It's got to get all that heat's got to get all the way in there. And of course, you don't want it too overdone. You know, these are steak, so you like it rare, you make it rare. You like it medium, you make it medium. The cheese is going to come out. The spinach is going to come out. That's just normal. Inside, outside. I prefer outside skirt steak is the best of the two skirt steaks, and that's what we use. People use flank steak, which is nothing wrong with that either. Most butchers will use a flank steak because flank steak looks like skirt steak. It's less expensive, but I haven't really experimented with flank steak, to be honest with you. Really only skirt. So hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's just about me grilling right now. It's man, I don't even know what today is. It's Tuesday, the 11th, and it's a beautiful day here in the Northeast, and I hope you guys are enjoying the nice weather that we're having.